morning, guys! It's a brand new day. Kagigising lang namin. Time check is 8:30. Pero gising talaga kami is 8 o'clock. Ngayon lang kami tumayo. So, we're gonna get ready our brekkie. Si Mr. nakapag-shower na. Ako tonight na at si James para lalabas kami, diba? And then, para mamaya bago matulog fresh. So, ngayon, mag-ready ako ng brekkie. Ako magko-coffee lang. Maybe, and then egg. Then, I'm gonna get ready my two boys. Brekkie. Honey, what you gonna have? Itong maliit ko, wala na. Naglalaro na ng tablet.
Go over. Tea with...
Naka-ready na siya.
Yeah.
You want
Cup of tea with peanut butter on toast.
tea or coffee? Wait.
Tea.
Alright then. Is the kettle... What is it? I think it's got enough.
Oh.
Mag-ingay muna ako. Ilagay ko yung kettle. And then we're gonna make some toast bread. Ayan na yung brekkie ni James. Busy na naman sa tablet. Oh. Si Mr. He had it toast with peanut butter. We're gonna have brekkie first before me. Ano nang ginawa mo, dong? Breakfast tayo, guys. I got omelette. Nilagyan ko siya ng onions, yung chives. And I got my half cup of coffee. Kain tayo. Tapos na yung aling maliit ko. And then si Mr. So, now it's time for me. Hi guys! We are ready now. We are ready to go. Late kasi nag-usap kami ni Mother. So, yung aming pa-outfit, akin pala. I got this. And this high-waist thingy. Then si little Baba, he's ready as well. You know. He's got white tops as well. Then his Cardi and si Mr. There. So yan, we're ready to go. We're gonna explore today. Awan ko kung saan kami pupunta, but we're gonna take you there. We are going, guys. Tapos na mag-picture taking ang mag-ina. Papa, look! Hey! Ito Dito na kami, guys. We're in St. Ives. Look at the beach. It's really calm. Hindi masyado maraming tao sa beach, which is good. Ito yung palibot namin view. There's a big rocks down. Parang gusto ko manginhas. Ano sa Tagalog yung manginhas? Maghanap ng mga ano dyan, oh, shells. Ganda ng view. So we're gonna walk around. Shall we go walk that way? Daming nagbo-boating. O, tignan nyo itong ano, binabalance niya yung mga rocks. So we take a get closer. Ayan yung mga rocks na pinapatayo niya. Let's see if he can stand that rock. It's not easy. Look, there's loads of them. Wow, nearly there. Oops. That's a bit heavy though. Ang dami na niyang pinatayo. Oh. Oh, look what I found, guys. My favorite Thai crepes. Shall we get some? I want a Nutella and strawberry. Or you want ice cream? Bili ako ng crepes. We end up ice cream, guys. I had mango. Hapit na maubos. And Mr. Strawberry. It's a real Thai ice cream. Sarap. Super duper. Worth it yung bayad mo. Tignan nyo, malapit na maubos. Dito kami sa Thai restaurant, guys. Magla-lunch. And it's not full, so we can get in. It's the Thai restaurant. Dito na kami, guys. Yes, please.
I think I'll have a flat white.
Flat white, yeah.
Do you want some table water, tap water?
Yes, please.
Is he drunk?
What did you have, honey?
I'll just
Flat
have
white. Can I have a minced cucumber freeze?
Anything for the little one or just the water? Like orange juice, pineapple juice.
Of course, you can have the orange juice, please. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. We just ordered food. Oh, no, drink, I mean. Ang ganda ng aming view dito. Oh, overlooking view. Yan, ang aming view. Little one is busy as usual. Ayaw magpaawat. Mr. Photographer. Ang ganda ng paano nila. We got our drink, guys. Yeah. I got cucumber and mint presse. Mister's got flat white. James, orange juice. We're just waiting our food now. This is really refreshing. Pogi ni Mister, Dito na yung food namin. I got pad thai prawn. Looks yummy. Mister's got green chicken curry with jasmine rice. He's digging it now. James had a fried rice. Kain tayo. Kain. This little boy wants to go in there. Come on then. Go. Where you want to go then? Pumunta ng dagat. But you can't go swimming though. It's cold. Yeah? Go. Tinanggalan namin siya ng trouser. You can't go swimming. Daddy's struggling. Daddy's struggling with your boogie, Babalo. Struggle is real, Daddy. Struggle is real.
You won't bring that water on.
Hi? Somebody's excited now, na. If you're gonna get wet, Baba, we're gonna be in a deep trouble.
Cold.
Somebody's in trouble, I think. Parang may nalunod. Kasi may rescue. That's the rescue. Parang may nalunod ata. Oh dear. We are back in the car, guys. We walk from down the bottom until here. Makita nyo yung view dito. Ayan. We've been down to the bottom. And we walk up here to the car park. And now, we are ready to go back to the cottage. Hindi kami nagtagal doon sa dagat kasi do you think there's an accident happen? Parang may aksidente yata, pinaalis yung mga tao sa dagat. So, umuwi na rin kami kasi it's time for our car park bago kami magka-fine. Because we only pay until 4 hours sa car park. Expensive though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Car park is £6.20 for 4 hours. Ang mahal. Tapos pag mag-over ka ng park, may fine na £100. So, yun yun. The time as well is 4 o'clock. Is nearly 4:30. So, uwi na tayo. Balik na tayo sa cottage. Nakaligo na ako, guys. Katapos lang. Now, I'm gonna get ready, James, Gina. I think mag-ano lang siya, mag-fruit. I got some grapes, bananas, and strawberry. Kasi magki-cake daw sila ni daddy niya. So, we're gonna grab some grapes for him and some strawberry. I'm gonna wash them before I gonna slice. That's it. Nag-rice naman siya kaninang tanghali, so pwede na lang mag-ano siya. Kasama din sa diet si James. Damay-damay na to. Ako hindi na ako maghapunan, baka mag-ano na lang din ako mamaya. Mag-fruit. Ang ganda ng strawberry na nabili namin yesterday yun sa M&S. It looks really sweet. Kasi sobrang ano niya, sobrang red. I think you only need couple of them or 3. 1 little. And then you're gonna grab some bananas. Gonna wash them first.
And as you'd expect from a Porsche, slow. This battery-powered four-door sports car can generate a monstrous.
I can't believe it. Sabi sa packaging, ano na daw, malinis na, washed and ready to eat. Yung fruit. Pero nung hinugasan ko siya, sobrang dumi. Kaya, mas better talaga bago kumain ng fruits and vegetable, hugasan. Kasi like dito, ang sabi is washed and clean. Pero nung hinugasan ko, ang daming dumi. I-slice ko yung grapes kasi medyo malalaki. Baka mabulunan si James. I don't think you really need a banana if you're gonna have a cake. I think this should do. Grapes and strawberry. Ayan. Siguro hindi na niya kailangan mag-banana. Kasi nag-banana naman siya this morning. Kung mag-cake sila, o diba? Hindi na siguro kailangan. So, ayan. Pakain natin to sa ating makulit. Sweetheart! Tintin! James finished his fruits. And now, he's gonna have his Victoria sponge cake. Yung filling niya is apple. It's not strawberry. So, he's gonna have his now. He eats all his fruits already. Nadagdag pa siya ng grapes. Gusto niya yung grapes kasi matamis. So, pakain muna natin to sa kanya before he's gonna have his bath. Kain tayo! Mag-strawberry lang ako. Strawberry. Hapunan. And I think I'm gonna close this vlog as well kasi manonood kami ng F1. So, we call it for a day today. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and please don't forget to hit like and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and please do share this video and hope to see you in the next one. Thank you. Stay safe. Good night.
Information on the screen at the stop.